Oh, is anybody sat there?
Oh no, go ahead.
All right, thanks. Thanks very much. Oh.
What have you got there?
I've got brand new cameras from Panasonic GX80. Just transferring some images over from my phone.
Oh. Where's the cable?
No, there's no cables. It's all done Wi-Fi direct. I don't need any signal or anything like that. It just makes the handshake together.
What, so it goes from there to there right here?
Yeah, yeah, directly.
Oh, is that new technology then?
No, we've been doing this in our cameras for years. We just keep making improvements all the time.
Wow.
There we go.
Cool. What else is it doing?
Well, there's loads of new technology in here. Should we go and find out?
Yeah, I'd love to. Is that okay?
Yeah, come with me. What do you think of having a station this close?
Mark, I wish I had a station that close to my work. Fantastic. Hi everybody, so today I'm here at Panasonic Solution Centre, which is a place that showcases all new technologies. I'm here with Mark Baber, and Mark, you've got some brand new technology to show us in the shape of the Panasonic GX80. Now we've already got on the market the GX7 and also the GX8, which was released last year. What's the key differences then with the GX80?
Yes, Ian, you're absolutely right. We've got the 3 different retro-style cameras in the range and the brand new GX80, which is now launched. The biggest difference between the 3 is what's really inside. Okay. The first thing is dual IS, so that's image stabilization in the body as well as the lens. Okay. So in the GX7, we only had it 2-axis in the body. Yep. In the GX8, which is still current, we have 4-axis in the body and working with the lens. Yep. Now in the GX80, we've got 5-axis in the body and working with whatever's in the lens. So that's 2-axis in the lens, 5-axis in the body.
So it's going to give you some pretty impressive stabilization then.
Absolutely. So in low light capabilities, or if you're using a telezoom with optical image stabilization at the far end or at the near end, you're going to get some really good handheld shots.
Okay, Mark, could you tell us a little bit about the sensor inside the camera?
Yep, so the sensor is the same sensor as the GX7. However, what we've done is we've removed the low-pass filter. So what that means is you're going to get better detail, better resolution, and actually better color reproduction. So overall, the image quality from the GX80 is going to be a lot better than the GX7.
Okay, great. As with most of your cameras, Mark, you've got 4K photo. I take it the GX80 is incorporating 4K photo as well?
Yes, it does. It carries on that great piece of technology. That's 4K video, which is 4 times higher resolution than Full HD. Yep. And from that, I can shoot at 30 frames a second and take a still from it. And that's all done in the camera, so that's really important to remember. But on top of that, using that technology now, we've got something called post-focus. Now, I don't know if when you've been on holiday in that you've taken a really good shot and in the camera it looks in focus, you get it back home or you print it and actually there's just slightly a little bit of softness to it.
Many times, unfortunately.
Same here. Well, what you can do now in the camera is use the post-focus mode with a dedicated button, and you can actually focus after you've taken the shot. So if it's out of focus, you can actually put it back into focus. And I've got a great demo we can show you right now.
Great, I'm really keen to actually see that. So
right, let's go over here.
Yeah, sure. So Mark, what are you going to show us here then?
So we've got a model village as our backdrop, and so we can get really close to the action. But I'm going to show you now post-focus. Okay. So post-focus is, as we said earlier, it's the ability to focus on a shot afterwards, once the shot's been taken. Right. So it's using 4K technology, so 4K photo, and it's taken a number of frames where it will focus in the foreground, the middle ground, and the background. And then when I play it back, we're able then to actually focus on any one of those points.
So any one of those 49 points?
Any one of those 49 points. So it's focusing on a photograph after you've taken it in the camera. So let's get the camera in situ and let's have a look at what we can do.
Okay, great.
Okay, so we've used post-focus mode and I've chose playback. And now we have the footage playing back on the screen. Now you'll see that the red car is out of focus. By using post-focus mode, it's focused on the foreground, middle ground and background. I can now bring this van into focus. The tree at the background is now out of focus, but because it's focused again in post-focus mode, I can bring it into focus. Same with the yellow car. Now, let's say I want to have the actual church in focus in my picture. I've now focused on that. I press the button at the bottom of the screen, and I now save this picture as an 8.3 million pixel JPEG. It's as simple as that. So to summarise, Ian, we've got dual IS, 5-axis in the body and 2 in the lens. So a great piece of technology. Also 4K photo, which is 4K video, 30 frames a second, 8 million pixel stills from each frame and saved in the camera.
Yep.
And then we've seen a great demo, post-focus, using 4K technology where we can focus after we've taken the shot and again in the camera so we can take the still. It's a great addition to the GX range. Really pleased with it.
Thank you, Mark, and thank you for showing us the camera.
Pleasure.
For more information, why not pop online to jessups.com or visit one of your local stores. Thanks for watching.